Processed stainless steel titanium high-temperature alloys. Bed and base made of resin sand cast in one piece. Stress removal method includes vibration annealing insulation. Fully automatic feeder for servo feeding. Automatic material receiving hand and conveyor belt. Chain plate chip conveyor for efficient operation. Ideal for precision turning of various materials. Maximum machining diameter of 600 mm. High quality construction for long-term reliability. Efficient and reliable for industrial production. Enhanced productivity and cost effectiveness. Suitable for a wide range of machining applications. Advanced technology for superior machining performance. Customer-centric design for maximum satisfaction.